Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best home gym equipments. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the home gym equipments in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best home gym equipments on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Rep Fitness FT3000 Compact Trainer. We couldn't find a smaller home gym that packs more commercial gym vibes into a 78 feet x 53 feet x 34 feet space than this one from Rep Fitness. You heard that correctly. With less than 4.5 feet wide and less than 3 feet deep, this home gym is of a commercial caliber. Although it has a nice low profile, Rep was able to fit two 180 pounds weight stacks inside of it. The station also has a pull-up bar, and the pulleys are made for very smooth functioning without catching or sticking. In the middle of this functional trainer, Rep even managed to integrate some storage pegs for your cable attachments. However, one thing to keep in mind is that the pulleys are set at a 2-to-1 ratio, which means that for every 2 pounds of weight on the weight stack, you will experience 1 pound of resistance in your hands, or 50 pounds of resistance in total. Number 9. AKYEN Adjustable Squat Rack Stand. If strength training is your thing, we suggest adding a squat rack to your home gym. The adjustable squat rack stand from AKYEN checks all the right boxes at an affordable price. This rack, which is made of heavy gauge steel, can hold 850 pounds, but because it only weighs 44 pounds, moving and setting it up are simple. We also appreciate that the foot pads on the rack are non-slip, so your floors won't be scratched. Coming at number 8, Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7515 Smart Treadmill. Cardio can always be purchased used for a great price, especially used commercial grade cardio. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7515 Smart Treadmill, however, is a great option if you're looking to save money on a brand new treadmill. Despite costing more than the other items on our list, this treadmill is still less expensive than many others. Its dimensions of 64 inches long, 28 inches broad, and 50 inches tall make it sturdy enough to hold 240 pounds. Additionally, it is simple to put away between exercises because it is foldable and equipped with transport wheels. We adore how many features are included for the price on this treadmill. It features a built-in heart rate monitor and Bluetooth connectivity, and has a 12% incline grade and other high-tech features. Coming at number 7, Rogue SML2 Monster Lite Squat Stand. As the saying goes, big things come in small packages, and we believe that is certainly true of Rogue's Lite Squat Stand. Since it only weighs 166 pounds, moving it is both common and generally simple. It has a thin and fat pull-up bar option for additional back exercises, as well as a place to put resistance bands for pull-downs and triceps exercises. This rack is made of 11-gauge steel and has a weight capacity of over 1,000 pounds. With the Rogue SML2, you can conserve space while still getting a sturdy squat stand that works with most 33 inches attachments. This strong and lightweight squat stand from Rogue is the best option if all you need it for is a squat. Number 6. TRX Home2 System. You can mount this TRX on any tree or door for a full body weight workout in about 60 seconds. With just your body weight, the TRX allows you to row, push, squat, plank, lunge, and twist. This option is our most space-efficient gym by a wide margin because it can be easily stored in a mesh bag. The only drawback of this device is that it won't really satisfy those who wish to lift high weights and keep easy track of reps and weight. However, this will work if you're more of a casual gym user who wants to get strong workouts done at home while burning calories. Coming in at number 5, Gold's Gym XRS 50. Although the XRS 50 is not the most adaptable option on this list, it still allows you to execute pull-downs, leg extensions, flies, rows, and curls. You can even buy additional attachments to change up your grips. You may use the XRS 50 for more exercises if you use a little imagination. You can complete a full body workout without having to buy a bar or weight plates for less than the price of a nice power rack. You won't reach the machine's capacity with the XRS 50 for quite some time, so you want to upgrade. Despite this, the XRS 50 offers a total weight capacity of 280 pounds, which is more than enough for most people. Plus, you can tuck this machine into a corner of your house and have everything you need to build muscles. Coming at number 4, YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike. When buying an indoor bike for your home gym, you want an indoor bike for your home gym that is reliable and compact, like the indoor cycling bike from YOSUDA. This bike stood out during our study and testing of the best indoor cycling bikes because of how solid it felt and how smoothly it rode. The sturdy steel frame of the bicycle can support up to 270 pounds, and its 35-pound flywheel provides excellent resistance. We adore the bike's modest profile and lightweight as well. The bike from YOSUDA isn't as advanced as some of the more expensive models available, but given that such bikes are 3 to 4 times as expensive as this one, we believe the trade-off is well worth it. Number 3, Bowflex Xtreme 2C Home Gym. The Bowflex Xtreme 2C is a tank that comes with a resistance of 210 pounds, but may be increased to 310 pounds. It may be used for more than 70 exercises, including pull-downs, squats, and leg extensions. They have a no-change cable pulley system in place, which is a really cool feature since it allows you to work your back and legs simultaneously on the same cable pulley without having to make any adjustments. You may add a preacher curl and gym-style ab crunch for an additional fee. This machine is a fantastic option for people looking to receive a full-body workout in a short amount of time due to its quick transitions and straightforward setup. Although Bowflex has many options, this one is the best on the list. Coming at number 2, FLYBIRD Weight Bench. You don't need to break the bank to get one of the best adjustable dumbbells, and FLYBIRD offers plenty of value with its 25 and 55-pound models. The FLYBIRD adjustable dumbbells may be just what you need if you want to update your home gym, but lack the room or extra money to buy a full set of dumbbells. Dumbbell exercises can be an understated, underappreciated component of any gym regimen, depending on your present way of life. Whatever your motivation for working out, using free weights enables you to isolate different muscle groups and develop a bigger, stronger, and faster you. Recently, adjustable dumbbells have skyrocketed in popularity, and for good reason. Just one set of them may be able to replace the need for 30 separate weights. The FLYBIRD adjustable dumbbells are available on Amazon for $100 or $185, but bear in mind that paying for a full pair will increase the cost to $200 or $370 respectively. That, for me, is still far less expensive than the larger $400 Bowflex Select Tech 552 dumbbells, which have more bells and whistles. Number 1. NordicTrack Fusion CST Studio. This sleek and modern-looking total fitness solution is a far cry from the rusty iron and clanging plates of old. It features innovative silent magnetic resistance to create strong yet smooth cable pulley resistance. The Fusion CST Studio allows you to fully immerse yourself in the workout by switching between 20 resistance settings ranging from 10 pounds to 100 pounds based on your trainer's recommendations. Real-time performance stat tracking on this device might help rekindle the fire if you start to lose inspiration. And with class options like cross-training, boot camps, body sculpting, HIIT, regular strength training, and more with the Fusion CST Studio and iFit, workout monotony is a thing of the past. What's more, arguably the best part of this machine is that the footprint is quite economical at 73.5 inches tall by 60.5 inches wide and 41.5 inches deep, so you can place the Fusion CST nearly anywhere. And with 30 days of iFit included, you can begin your at-home workout journey for roughly $2,499 in total. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best home gym equipments. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.